Come on. Were you stuck on the rug? Whoa! Go Victoria! Can you get on the carpet? Yep. Good job. You go, girl. You stuck? Here. Okay. Go ahead. Show me how it goes. You're gonna go backwards. Good job. Bye, Sissy. I'm just gonna get hung up on that carpet and get mad. Want me to fix it? Okay, I'll fix it. Oh. Here. Okay. It's all better. Mommy fixed it. Oops, crash. There you go.
Mom, take a picture of me.
Huh? Hi, Maddie. It's not a picture, I'm taking a video. Maddie's a big girl and goes to school now. Say hi. Can you wave? Okay, that's too tight in there. All right, Victoria, all done.